Hi Barbie dolls! I'm AZUSA Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Today I'm doing quick nail video for hand painting Houndstooth. It's not super easy but super hard either. It's totally worth it. It's so cute. Let me show you how I do this. Let's start hand painting Houndstooth. So I start from white base color and any color. But today, of course, I pick Barbie pink. I wanna put some guideline here. It's just guideline, so it doesn't need to be solid thick line. I draw simple crisscross. And now, fill the inside of square. So when you paint one, you skip one box and paint another one. And same, skip one and paint this one. And then, so skip this line, skip one and paint here. And one more, and skip one and paint here. And now the middle of one edge of the square. Among the lines, I make two tiny triangles like this. I just need to follow the lines which I already put, so it's pretty easy. So it's not that hard, but you just need to paint the right spot. If you miss one spot, they don't look perfect Houndstooth anymore. So make sure to paint right spot. And next, from this corner to down for both sides. Look, like this. We're not done yet. Now I need to erase extra guidelines. I said you erase, but actually it's like cover with white. So with white color, I cover unnecessary part. Look, they look more perfect, right? And cover with top coat. Ta-da! I love my Houndstooth nail. I did it with Barbie pink, but you could do with any color, like black or red. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye!